Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today guys I'm gonna show you how I get creative in the kitchen. Yes, I did a good job in the kitchen because I love to cook and I like to try different menus. So guys, I'm gonna show you today how I do my corn pork and ackee, and I have it with some rice. Right now I have it in some calabash right there. So guys, let's get into the process. So right there I have my corn pork. Corn pork sauce. I'm going to boil it out with some pepper and pimento. So right there, some corn pork cook. I'm going to dice him up right there. So look how pretty that be. Yeah, it looks so nice. Yeah, corn pork. So right about here, I put some oil in my pot. So I'm gonna fry my corn pork. You know me like when you fry, you have to fry it to make it crisp because you want to taste that crunchiness in your mouth. So right there, so I fry my corn pork. Me say me get some burn. You see, just a pop, 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 pop. Burn up on my hand them. You understand? So right about there now I have my corn pork and my fry in my oil, and I say guys, me get some burn. Hey, look at that golden fry corn pork right there. So so I'm gonna let it fry until it's well golden so I can add it to my right about now I'm cut up my season. So right there I have some tomatoes, I have some red bell peppers, I have some scotch bonnet peppers, some garlic, scallion, onions, green peppers, and some thyme right there. So yeah, so this one I'm gonna grab my tin of ackee, graced in ackee fully come like I pick them off of the tree. I can't believe I never used to love grace ackee, but me use it. So right this now my corn put down fry, look golden and pretty. So I set about my pan on the fire now. I'm gonna push in, dash in my seasoning them, I dash in some season in the pot. Yeah, I'm gonna put all of my seasoning and I'm gonna saute them. Yeah, right this so cause I have to put in my ackee in there now. So I have to saute my seasoning. So I'm gonna get my own spoon now. And you know me I stir because I want to scrape up the pot bottom, cause the frying pan is brand new, I don't want to scrape up my frying pan. So right now guys, I'm gonna throw in my corn pork inside my seasoning. So I'm gonna stir it in. Look on that corn pork, it's golden and nice. Yeah man, the corn pork look golden and nice. So I'm gonna stir it up. Stir up, stir up, stir up, stir up. Yeah, right about this. So now I'm gonna add some all-purpose, because say you have to put a little pep up, you want to step up the taste, you understand? So I'm gonna add some all-purpose season. And right there, so now I'm gonna throw in my ackee. I'm wash my ackee with some hot water. I'm gonna run the hot water over the ackee. I'm gonna pour it in my corn pork. Look on that, it come like me just climb the tree and take off the ackee off of the tree. Yeah, if ackee them full, grace ackee. Put some black pepper. You can, I'm not gonna put too much black pepper because them say black pepper not really good for you right there. So yes, I look for my corn pork and my ackee. Look at that. So I'm gonna use my fork now and fold it in because I don't want no mushy something, I want it full. So I'm gonna use my fork and fold it in right there. So look at that. Look at ackee. Me say the ackee them look like me just climb the tree. I go a Chilani and I just pick some ackee off of my auntie tree. Yeah, right there. So guys, tell me what you think about this lovely dish right there. So look at that. I love ackee and corn pork. Saltfish too boring. I don't like ackee and saltfish. Kind of too boring for me. I love ackee. I love ackee and chicken back. Next time I go do ackee and chicken back and salt mackerel. Somebody tell me if you try the salt mackerel. So tell me what you think about this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.